Throughout these videos, you'll be working with the Anoconda Python distribution, which is one of the most popular Python distributions out there. Now, we chose this particular distribution because of all the different software that comes with it by default. In particular, it has the IPython interpreter, which we will use to execute code both interactively, one code snippet at a time or one line of code at a time, as well as to execute full Python applications, which again we refer to as scripts. It also has a local Jupyter Notebooks server that will enable you to run this thing called Jupyter Notebooks in your web browser locally on your computer. And as you'll see in the test drives in lesson 1, Jupyter Notebooks are a really convenient way to not only type and execute Python code, but you can also embed in them text and images and videos and other web-based content to create a combination of both code and other materials, and that's particularly important for reproducibility. So if you're doing data science studies or other types of studies and you want other people to be able to reproduce your results, Jupyter Notebooks are a really popular way of doing that. In addition to IPython and Jupyter Notebooks, most of the Python and data science libraries that we use throughout these videos are included with the Anoconda Python distribution. There will be some additional libraries that you have to install as well. And the distribution also includes a bunch of other software, including things like the Spider IDE, which is one of the more popular data science Python integrated development environments, and Microsoft's Visual Studio Code is an installation option as well. Now you can get the latest installer for Anoconda from the URL that you see here, anaconda.com/distribution, and when you go to that web page, you'll see a download button, which I'll show you in just a moment, and from there you can download for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once you've completed the download, you'll want to execute the installer and simply follow the on-screen instructions to get the software installed. So here is the Anoconda distribution download web page. As you can see, here's the download, and when you click that button, it brings you lower down on the page. You have tabs here for the 3 different platforms, and for the purpose of these videos you will want to get the Python 3.7 or higher version. By the time you're watching these videos, there could be a more recent version available. Once you go ahead and click the download link, you'll see the download begin, and again, once that download is complete, simply go to your downloads folder and double click the installer to execute it.